Slick here, and today we're going to show you my car, my current build, which is H2B Coupe, 99 Coupe. And sorry for the wind, it's a little windy where I'm at right now. I'm recording this off my iPhone, but yeah, let me just get into it. It's it right here. I do have different set of front wheels, have semis, some Falcon Azenzis. Private trunk. Kevlar Hood. Carbon mirrors. Let's get into the inside. Let me turn this off real quick. Got 8th gen side seats in the front. Don't mind the mess. Aside. Twisted. Let's go under the hood now. Everybody would like to see. Wow. Strength 3A. GSR Transmission. Long stock. Here. Currently running a P30, but need an S300. P30 makes the car run funny right now, but see if I get some sound clips for you guys. Idles. It's a little stuttery because the ECU again. Safety, as you can see. Well, yeah, I am the owner of the H2B Coupe that you guys been seeing on my channel. Basically, I'm just posting here and there. This could turn into something daily or weekly or once a month, but yeah, gonna be posting my build. Well, I'm gonna try to post my build for you guys. And yeah, right now I'm just ordering parts right now. I'm just waiting for S300 so my car can officially run, to its full potential. Right now, still lagging in power because of the ECU I currently have, which is a P30. But yeah, it's my first time doing this, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the build.